Starting recording now. Everyone wave, 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 wave. Okay. My name is Sara and I'm going to be doing an informative speech on keratin hair straightening. For any clients that you have that have unruly, fuzzy, or curly hair, a permanent hair straightener could be the answer to your prayers. So many people, especially in our humid southern climate, has an awful time trying to control their forever growing hair. There are products now which can straighten the hair into a smooth and shiny coiffure. Paul Mitchell says, "The excitement around keratin is the promise of no more weekly wrapping the hair with lotion, set-in rollers, hot hair dryers, or hot irons." First, you must choose a proper straightening solution. This step is very important. Does the client have fragile, fine, damaged hair, or normal or coarse and resistant texture? How thick and long is the hair? One box of solution will cover the average thickness and shoulder length hair. You will also need a handheld dryer and fine-tooth comb and plastic clips. Do not use the metal ones because they can react to the straightening solution, causing a burn. Next, you have 2 plastic capes and you need 10 towels. Most important, you must have straightening iron that can reach 470 degrees. To begin, the hair should be washed with sulfate-free shampoo. Avoid scratching the scalp. Any irritation to the scalp, you must reschedule the client to a different day. FDA says that is where formaldehyde comes into play. The FDA allows only less than 0.2% of the formaldehyde to be used in hair, skin, and medical products in the USA. After all the prior steps have been performed, you may now begin the chemical process. First, section the hair off into 4 quadrants. Center the forehead of the middle of the nape and from the center of the ear to ear. Start at the nape area, being careful to take only small 1/4-inch sections. This step is to ensure the hair will not dry out under the standing dryer. Allow the solution to stay on for 20 minutes. When the time is up, take your client to the shampoo bowl. Rinse hair for 5 minutes. The hair must be rinsed thoroughly and ensure all solution is removed. You must pay close attention to this because if you pull and tug on the hair, it's very fragile and it could break easily. As you comb through the towel-dried hair, remember not to pull the hair and use a wide-tooth comb or pick. At this point, begin drying the hair with a handheld dryer until completely dry, because damp hair can singe when you begin to use the straightening iron. Once again, section the hair into 4 quadrants, as described before. And starting at the nape, take small 1/4-inch sections and run the straightening iron through the hair at least 4 passes, making sure the hair is very straight. Performing this step with patience is very important. Finally, when the entire head is done, allow to cool for a couple of minutes. At this point, a snack and bathroom break may be welcome to suggest to the client. After sectioning the hair off into 4 quadrants, begin at the nape, once again applying the straightening solution. Make sure to slowly shake the solution. Once it's on, this may be a good time to ask your clients if they are experiencing any scalp irritation, burning. Rinse hair once again, towel dry, and now it's to be neutralized. Neutralizer is mainly made up of vinegar, and it just balances the pH of the hair. The neutralizer should be applied quickly all over the hair. Make sure that you get it on every strand. The process will remain on the hair for 5 minutes. Rinse the hair 5 more minutes after that. Then dry and style as usual. By this time, your client should feel the overwhelming difference of the hair, of it being straight and silky, and feel better. It should last for up to a year. At last, the straightening process is complete. Your client will probably be tired, so will you, but the rewards will last for a while. Beautiful silky hair may have been a fantasy for your client yesterday, but it's reality today. The tartan says, Overall, keratin hair straightening treatments are relatively safe, and only real health hazards is associated in the inhalation of the fumes where the keratin solution is being applied. Make sure to always tell your clients if they're satisfied with their hair to send more clients to you, because everyone is going to love your transformation. Thanks.